Alright, so the only tool you actually need is this, torque wrench. I didn't have it, so now I do. Alright, let's get back to business. Just gotta pinch it. Whew! That was a tough one. It was really on there. Alright, one thing to be aware of is right about there, that little guy scrapes up the carbon fiber. It's close, they're not touching right now, they're not touching, but just something to be aware of if you do get this intake and you do install it. Be very careful. I would almost put a towel or something around it to prevent it from scraping. But yeah, it did scrape on mine. Not the biggest deal. It's in the back, so you can't see it, but it is there. Alright guys, we are all set. Didn't do a step-by-step tutorial, but ECS tuning has good directions, and there's a few videos on YouTube already that does have the step-by-step. I could link those in the description. But time to get this bad boy on the road.